What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have cameraman Nick right here in front of the camera, set up behind it. We're on a tripod, and today we're doing a contest to see who can customize the best shoe, and the winner gets $1,000. Now this video would not be possible without Reshoevnator. If you don't know, Reshoevnator is basically the best sneaker cleaning products in the game. Use code Harrison down below for 10% off your order. Now we'll talk about that a little bit later, but that's how this video is possible. One of us might get $1,000. So the two canvases that we have today are one, this Jordan 1 right here for me with the black bottom. He has a cream Yeezy right there, and essentially we're gonna be going with designs that neither of us know about, and then you guys get to pick who wins and who gets the $1,000. Now you might just pick Nick to get the $1,000 because I spend money dumbly on these videos, but I really want to see who can come out with a better design, and maybe one of us can admit whose design is better. So we did film going to the mall and picking out which shoe we wanted, because they had a couple different options, Levi's, stuff like that. We're gonna head over to ATL Addiction at the mall, picking these out, and are you happy with your canvas?
I'm glad I went with the Yeezy. I got a couple ideas, and I think hopefully it'll come out good.
Are you artistic? I mean, I've known you for 15 years, but are you artistic?
I used to be back in like elementary school, middle school, but now more of my artistic comes out when I'm filming.
Yeah, I'm not good at drawing. I'm not that precise. Like, I have good visions, but I'm not that precise. So it's excited to see. I already know what I want to do with this, and there's a reason why I did this.
I can see what I want to do, but it's if it's gonna look
executed.
If it's gonna look good or not, that's the question.
We aren't going to see what each other is doing until it is done at the end. Now, if you guys are new here and you're not subscribed to the channel, like 70% of you that watch aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like, tell them, leave a like down below.
Guys, like the video.
Like the video, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? We got a huge giveaway in this video in a few minutes. Sean Witherspoon, 97 ones. You guys look for free. All right, so go ahead and come back to the mall. I have a surprise in store for Nick. Of course, we're going to be doing this custom and you guys are going to select who wins, but I want to surprise Nick and give him the $1,000 just for being a good cameraman for me. I'm going to explain this a little bit later in the video, but I just want to surprise him. We're going to do the contest. He totally thinks that I could win and get the $1,000, but I just want to surprise him and send it to him once we reveal the shoes. He has no clue. I don't know how he's going to react. I want to surprise him just because he deserves it. We've made it to the mall and it's now time to kind of split up. We're going to the same store, but basically we're about to kind of walk apart, and I'm going to let you guys know what my idea for my shoe is, and he's going to let you know his idea for his shoe. We don't want to know this until we get back and finish everything. We're gonna kind of wait for a reveal for each of us. So I'm gonna go over here and let you guys know what I'm gonna do, and then he's gonna let you know what he's gonna do. So let's kind of split up real quick. All right, I'm walking away. We're gonna cut the Nick camera real quick. He'll let you know what he's doing.
All right, so pretty much just want to get the shoe, get the Sharpies, start on it, and just go from there. See where my mind takes me.
So my idea is for a Jordan 1, which I know that they have here in all white. I want to go for the Joshua Vides vibe. If you guys haven't seen that, Joshua Vides basically makes a cartoon out of a lot of stuff that is just plain white. Now, he does that by accentuating black lines on certain edges. So I'm going to be doing that. You guys will see up on the screen. I'm going to go for that, but I might try to add some sort of twist to it. Now, I think he might do a Yeezy. So it's going to be Jordan versus Yeezy. I'm excited for this one because I don't think I can mess it up as much. Like, I have tried, I can paint a little bit, but I'm just not that precise. So I'm going to try to do it as precise as possible and maybe add some flair to it. We need to get Nick this $1,000 so we can buy some new sneakers because he's wearing Janoskis.
These are not Janoskis, these are just SBs.
All right, so we just made it over here and it's time for me to pick my shoe. Nick is walking out right now. There's more options than I thought. So up there is the Jordan 1 that I want. It's an all white, and it's not like the typical all white Jordan 1. It's got a black bottom. So I think it could actually work out really good. But then I was thinking, like, what if I got like this Jordan 1 and then I did a similar thing and I took off some of the colors? That could look crazy. Also have the white Levi Jordan 4. That would be crazy, but I don't think you can get the look of the cartoon on there with that material. So I don't know if it'll work. It's cool because I think you could distress that and make it look really cool, but I'm worried about the material not showing up because it is denim. It's denim instead of leather, and with leather, you can use Sharpies. So Nick's gonna come in here, tell you guys what he's gonna get. I'm gonna grab those down and show you guys. Here's what it looks like right here. It's perforated leather in the back. The bottom is black, size 13. I think this will be perfect. All I really need is that leather material, and I think it's perforated and leather, so I think it should work out. So we're gonna go for this one.
All right, what's going on? There's a lot of choices. I already said outside before I walked in here, I was gonna do the Yeezy right here, doing the all white, the triple white, the cream, triple white, cream, whatever you wanna call it. I'm just ready to get a pack of all the colors of Sharpies and just go to town on this thing and see what I can come up with.
So we got both the shoes bagged up right here. The boxes are able to be seen, but we're not gonna go into what the shoes actually look like. I think we kind of both have an idea of what we're doing, but we'll check in when we get back. We gotta pay for it now. Let's go from there. All right, so we just finished up. Now it is time to go to the art store so we can get the materials that we need. We're gonna go to Binders. Basically, they have like professional art supplies. We can get actual proper things for this, so we're not just like guessing. So he's gonna get what he needs to get. I'm gonna get what I need to get. So let's head over to Binders. Now, if you guys didn't see, I did a drop on my website, harrisonnevel.com, this past week. You can go check it out right now. There's a bunch of stuff for sale, including those shoes right there. My Complex Com or Akami decks. I sold Supreme towels, so go check that out right now if you want to on my website. It'll be linked down below. We're going to iPhone cam right now, going to Binders. You got some art out here. Disco, let's go. Wants to get some Sharpies, so here's a nice selection, all the goods. I think oil base is best for me with my leather that I'm doing, and Nick's trying to find the best for him for the material he's using. So I think I only need this black. All right, so we just got all the pens right here. We're good to go. It's 34 bucks for all the Sharpies and stuff. I only need one color because I actually already have some at home. So I only need to get one color, 2 different markers. He got all his colors. So let's get back. It's about time to get started. Just made it back, and I thought we pretty much know what each other's shoes are. He doesn't really know what mine is, so we're just gonna show each other right now. So we can go ahead and go from there. I just don't want to wait or hide it. We're just gonna hide the designs of what we're doing for our custom. And it is, Nick, you wanna check it out, an all white Jordan 1. Got a little perforated leather. It's got the nice like nubuck leather and then black on the bottom. So I don't know if you have any idea what I'm gonna do with this, but there's mine. Kind of guess what yours is. All white Yeezys. That's like probably the best shoe to customize for this. I hope you make something cool because we want to make these something that maybe one of you guys will want after the fact. Mine and his. So we're gonna probably try to do both, but he's got some ideas, I got some ideas. So for the custom, I'm gonna be going down to like by the pool or something. I'm gonna be doing mine down there by myself, and he's gonna be up here doing his shoe, and then we'll kind of go back and forth whenever we get it done. Now, I'm hoping that all the stuff that we got works for our specific shoes. If it doesn't, then we'll have to, maybe I'll have to head out and get some other materials for us, but that's the plan for now. So we're gonna cut into me going separate down my way down there. He's gonna be up here doing his thing. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so we are giving away a pair of Sean Witherspoon Air Max 97 ones. Now, this is a size 12 right here. These are used but in great condition, comes with OGL. I wanted to do a big giveaway to give back to you guys. This giveaway is gonna be running for a few weeks, but all you have to do for that giveaway is you have to, 1, subscribe to the channel. Number 2, you have to follow me on Instagram. Then number 3, you have to go to the Instagram picture down below and leave a comment with your shoe size and tag 2 friends. That's it. Now, this is gonna be running for 1 month's time. So 1 month from today, October 12th, I will be announcing the winner to this giveaway on that Instagram post. The winner will be selected randomly, and I'll just put it in on the bottom. So you guys can win a pair of these. We have a couple giveaways going on right now. I'll link the other ones down below, but this is the big one. It's gonna be going on for the next one. All right guys, here's my workstation. I have my shoe ready now. I hope that these work. These are oil-based pens. Now, might need paint. I'm not sure. If we do, I'll have to run back out and get some paint for it, but I think we should be able to get it done with this. At least I hope so. So we'll cut back to Nick with him getting ready.
All right, so first things first, I'm gonna take out these laces. All right, so now I'm gonna get started on the branch design. Fingers crossed.
Here's how we're looking so far. I'm getting the hang of it. It's a little bit tough because this is like a super thick marker, and I'm trying to get like in the middle of like this super thick, but I got the whole lining. I'm gonna go back through with this smaller one and get some touch-ups. So I'm gonna let this dry a little bit, then I'm gonna go over the spots that I kind of miss. I need to get under the laces and everything, but I'm gonna let this dry before I do that.
All right, so one thing I'm noticing while I'm doing the basic outline of this branch design is that the material's different up here by the laces compared to down here in the middle. It's a lot easier to draw here on the middle than it is on the material next to the laces because it's all bunched up and it's kind of sticky. Alright, I think I've got my main design laid out, so now I'm gonna start adding color, filling in, and maybe throwing in random details as I go.
So I think I got most of it done. Essentially what I think it just is every bit of stitching. Now the inside looks good. I kind of messed up right here. I'm gonna try to get it off with some acetone or something. Try to get off that little mark there because I went through, but for the most part that's done. The thing that I like about this design is it doesn't have to be perfect. It looks good with a little bit of sketchiness or a little bit of like rough edges. Now I'm trying to figure out what I can do next to kind of make it pop, and I think maybe I'll do like a different color swoosh or something. I'm not sure. I just gotta kind of go through it and figure out what I want to do. But I think we got everything done for the most part. It's not too bad. I also don't really like this. I don't think I should have done that, but look at that. Looks pretty cool.
All right, so I'm making decent progress so far. One thing I'm noticing when I use these like Sharpie brush pens is you really gotta dab. If you brush, it doesn't really work, but if you dab, it works perfect.
All right, so here's my final product. I think it came out pretty good. It looks better from farther away than up close, but I'm excited to see what he's doing. So now we're gonna go back up, see how far he is. We're gonna end this out. I gotta text him to make sure he's done, but I'm happy with how it turned out, and maybe we'll have to do the second one because I might have to rock these. So like I was saying before through Shoenator, they make sneaker cleaning products. Now these are the sneaker cleaning wipe. Use code Harrison for 10% off. Let's say you have a mishap, like I have some mud on these Travis Scotts. Check that out right there. You can see I got a little mud on there. Sneaker cleaning wipes are basically just like a undo button for getting marks on your shoes. So I'm basically just gonna take this, I'm gonna rub the rough side on the material that's got all the issues, wipe it down. Literally it's already gone right up that nice leather. Now I'm just gonna go through this whole midsole right here. It's gonna take off any blemishes. Literally all that is gone already. Look at that, all that is gone already. Now again, use code Harrison for 10% off. Now they're the ones that made this prize possible, but I think I want to just give back to Nick because he works very hard for me, and give him the $1,000 regardless of who wins. He doesn't know that. I'm gonna give him $1,000. I don't have the cash, I'm just gonna Venmo it to him just because I feel like I should give back. To show love and appreciation to the people around you, the ones that will do anything for you. Give back and do what you can to help support them.
All right, so I think that's gonna wrap it up for my shoe. Went for a little bit more of just own personal style, just going for whatever came to mind. I wasn't trying to copy anybody, I was just trying to do my own thing, so hopefully you guys vote for the right person.
All right guys, so we just made it back. Nick went ahead and put his in here. I got mine in here. It's time to go ahead and reveal. Now, do you have an idea what I did?
I think it's what I was gonna do originally and decided not to.
And what's that?
Make it look like a cartoon shoe or whatever.
He was right.
I knew it.
There it is. So this is the Joshua Vides vibe right there. It's very simple. I wanted to add some of my own flair to it, which is kind of hard. I wanted to do a different color swoosh and some accent colors, but then I thought, is that gonna take away from the vibe of it? Now, this is just taking, you know, the style of somebody else, but I think with this, I have a lot of leeway because it doesn't have to be perfect. You can leave little marks and like have it look rough, and I think it still looks good compared to like if I went specific in detail, then it might not look as good because I'm not that great. Even the laces took like 20 minutes themselves just to line down there.
I mean, if I'm being honest, I think it looks sick.
Yeah, I think it turned out pretty decent for what it did. Now it's time for you to reveal. Did you do the same thing? Now it's time for you to reveal. Did you do the same thing?
No, I did not do the same thing. I wanted to get around like the Halloween vibe. I wanted to use like purple, orange, black, and just go around to different parts of the shoes that I really haven't seen people not necessarily customize before, but a lot of people when they're doing a shoe like this, they'll just make it look like a Yeezy, but like their own personal color palette. This, I was like, I just want to put some sort of like branch design down the side with like all the different like Halloween fall vibe colors on it. And then my favorite part honestly is the stitching, where I went all the way and I just did all the stitching one by one. So I went all the way down, did all the stitching one by one, and that's my favorite part of the shoe. I even brought it to the back because I was like, that kind of just brings the whole shoe together, even though I didn't do much on this side.
Looks good. I think it looks good. Yeah, this is more of like your own design. I feel like he said he was thinking about doing this, but it would have been hard on this shoe because there's not much to accentuate. All you have, so essentially what he did is the stitching is what it's accentuated.
Yeah, all I was gonna do was just
it'd be like this,
everything in black.
This, but then there's nothing really to outline here besides the laces, which would have been like super simple. Yeah, I mean, I think it's good. I think that's the creative way. So we're gonna put a poll up. It's gonna be on one side of the screen. I think it'll be this side maybe, and it's gonna say Nick or Harrison. Go ahead and vote on there, and then we're going to, in 24 hours time, see who won, and hopefully you guys like it. Now, after I say that, of course, this is not necessarily my own design. So I would say as far as creativity goes, Nick went for the more creative route. I went for taking somebody else's design and replicating it, which I still think it looks good. And I think we'll probably, do you want to do your other shoe? Because we might end up like throwing these up for sale on the website or something. For like I did last time I did a custom, it was like 150 bucks maybe, or $100. No, I did like $80. If you guys want Nick to go ahead and complete the other one so you guys could buy them, that'd be dope.
I'm cool with that. I honestly feel like if I did do the other one though, I would try to refine it and change it up a little bit so they might not look exactly the same.
So like I was telling you guys down below, what Nick doesn't know, because I went ahead and replicated something, I'm gonna disqualify myself and I'm going to Venmo you your winnings right now. 1,000 bucks. I was telling them that you need to show love to the people who work hard around you, and I just wanted to give you a little. This whole video was just to give you. I wanted to do the video, but
why are you gonna pull some? Like
give you a nice little $1,000 little bonus, and it's sent.
Thanks, man.
This isn't fake. In Nick's bank account.
I was not expecting this at all, bro. I was not expecting this at all.
Look, there it is, 1,000 bucks to Nick. I said congrats. So he won regardless. I think he went with the design, but I really just wanted to do something special.
Bro, I was like so stressed out trying to make this shoe. I honestly, I love your shoe. Like, and I wasn't trying to do something and like.
How about this? Like, send me the 1,000 back. You can have my shoe. I'll do the other one. All right, guys. So I think that's gonna wrap it up the video. If you guys like this custom, you guys want to see another one, let us know down below. If we do another one, there's gonna be actually something on the line where like he has to do something embarrassing, or I have to do something embarrassing. One of us loses. Or maybe we'll throw some more money into it, and he has to put that 1,000 bucks back up. Maybe, I don't know. He probably didn't want to do that, but
I don't know. I'm so out of it. But for real, you guys need to go like this video because this dude's doing stuff that no one else is doing. It's crazy. I love working for this dude. Been my friend forever, so thank you again for the money, dude.
We didn't have time to rehearse that and think about it, and
he's putting me on the spot all day.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see Nick more, go follow him. Get him 1,000, 85 away. I always give him this really small pop tag just to troll him, but we got the big pop tag to me. All right, guys. This is Harrison signing out.